Okay, so in this tutorial we will be showing you kung paano gagamitin yung ating MSI Screener from the data using AmiBroker exploration. So what we have to do first is we have to check kung yung data ba natin is updated. So we open AmiBroker. You can see here that our last updated date is May 18. So kailangan nating mag-download ngayon ng data for today's trading date, which is May 21. So we open our PSEGET, set the date kung ano yung kulang yung date. In this case, it's May 21 to May 21. And then make sure na yung target location nyo is pointing to your data folder, and this one should be AmiBroker, and then click give it to me. So now what PSEGET is doing is it's downloading the data for May 21. So we'll just wait for it to finish so we can proceed to the next step. Okay, so once the download is completed, makikita nyo yung ganitong screen. You just have to close it. And mapapansin nyo sa MSI chart nyo na updated na yung candle nya. And the date that appears here is May 21. Now, in order for us to proceed with the exploration, we have to go to charts, kung nakalabas na dito yung chart panel nyo, or you can take that by going to Windows and clicking on charts. Okay, so once we open the charts window, go to your MSI folder. If you have MSIX, go to MSIX. If you have MSI 9S, then you have to go to MSI 9S. In this example, we will be using MSIX. So we have to click on MSIX formula, right click and select analysis. Then a new window will open for you to be able to run your exploration. Before you run your exploration, make sure that the details here dito sa apply to should be all symbols. And then the range should be from and to dates, and then you select the current day or yung date na gusto nyong i-run yung analysis. Make sure na yung range ng date nyo is same date lang. Okay? Then you have to click on explore. Now, what AmiBroker is doing is it is analyzing all the stocks in PSE. So, normally it takes less than 2 minutes to run the analysis and complete all the analysis of the indicator set by MSI. Another thing that you should be looking to is the NFBS, or the net foreign buy and sell. Dapat hindi siya lahat zero, kasi meron tayo mga stocks na merong foreign transactions. So dapat transaction details dito. Minsan kasi hindi na-download ng complete yung data, so ang lumalabas sa net foreign buy and sell is zero. So that's something you have to check before you do your exploration. Okay, so now that the exploration is complete, ang makikita nyo dito ngayon, we have more than 250 stocks na in-analyze ng AMI broker using the MSI code. We have more or less more than 260 indicators analyzed using the MSI code. Kailangan natin gawin ngayon is to transfer this to Excel file so we can move it to Microsoft Access. To do that, you have to right-click on the analysis and then click on copy. Then open your Microsoft Excel, click on this tab here, right-click and paste. Click OK. And then you have to delete the first column kasi ito yung headers. So yung header hindi siya binabasa ng Microsoft Access. So you have to delete that. Delete. And then click this tab again. Right click and copy. Now go to your MS Access folder. Sorry, your MS Access Screener. Okay, so this is your MS Access Screener. Just click close here. This is your MS Access Screener. Now what you have to do is go to MSI Data, click on this tab here, and then press delete on your keyboard. So what's happening is we have just deleted the previous data. Now click on this tab again, right click and paste. So ngayon we are pasting 256 records from our exploration. Just hit to click yes. So from here alone, you can already do some analysis. You can sort by, let's say, very high average volume. Then you can analyze the stocks further by using MSI chart. You can also close this one, click no to save, and then click on MSI analysis para makita nyo ngayon yung summary ng analysis nyo. Another thing that you can do is you can explore the tabs here available, which are set of indicators or trading systems na pwede nyong pagpilian for a particular play. So that's it.